my god. It's a good start, isn't it? Welcome to motorcycling. Getting reversed into. Oh my god. So, what's up, gang? Me right here. And basically this is just a little test video, just to see how things are. Also wanted to say hello, just introduce myself a bit. Oh my god. Yeah, so I'm on a 125 CB 125R, amazing bike. And yeah, I mean it's the winter at the moment, so content is going to be a little bit slow, but I'm just getting things started ready for the winter, for the summer. Yeah, so my dad's got a bike, so we do a lot of riding in the summer together, so there'll be loads of content there. There's not going to be much at the moment because I'm literally just commuting to and from work, so yeah, I literally have a 10-minute ride to work, so it's not really worth recording all the time. You see the same thing. I only do a few roads, so yeah. But yeah, I'm 23, bloody hell. I'm in shock, I don't even know. That's good, isn't it? Just put that in front of him. So yeah, if you guys want to let me know what you sort of want, I'm going to be honest, yeah, I don't really ride with a lot of people. I don't ride with anyone at the moment. Just like I say, I'm just commuting to and from work at the moment, but got myself a GoPro and Purple Panda, and that's a microphone, by the way, and yeah, just sort of jigged up a little setup and hoping it works. I was thinking, because I don't have much to talk about, I was thinking of doing a few POVs of where I live. So where I live is absolutely beautiful in some areas, and I can imagine it would make for some great content in the summer. Just going out on a ride and just nothing but riding. I do love them kind of videos, so could be a good one to do. Let's let this guy out. It's nice of me, I'm a good lad, ain't I? So yeah, that's the plan at the moment. I know I can do them. Just some little POV rides. I know they're pretty simple to do. I'm going to do some reviews, give you an idea of my setup and stuff, and my mic and that. And yeah, sort of make some things up on the way. I know reviews will be quite common, quite popular, because people want to know about the CB125R, because I know some people will be in the same boat as me. So now I must admit, this isn't going to be an avid YouTube channel. It's just going to be a bit of fun for me, and if you want a bit of a community on the way, then so be it. If not, it's going to be some memories for me, because everything I do I get a bit too passionate about and put all my heart and soul into, and I just don't want to do that with this. I just want to enjoy it, like I say, make memories. So once the light starts coming and it gets a bit lighter in the days and the sun's out, me and my dad, we go to a bike meet every Monday. So I was thinking Monday could be a good one for some content. It'll just be easy because we'll both be out together. I haven't actually, not going to rig up a camera and a mic for him, but he speaks to me through a Cardo, so hopefully, because it echoes through the helmet, you'll sort of hear it in the mic anyway, because it'll be echoing through the helmet. We'll just have to see how it goes. But yeah, so Monday will be an easy content creator. Dad's not great with cameras and stuff, but we'll get him used to it. He'll be alright. Just says some things I know I won't be able to leave in. So anyway, as I was saying, there's not a lot of content to be made in the winter in the UK. It's an absolute nightmare. So, you know, I try and figure a few things out, and bring on the summer. I'm sure there's a few things we can do, and obviously it's just getting warmer anyway, so I've been riding most of the winter, so it doesn't really bother me. As soon as it hits spring, it'll be like bloody summer for us anyway. Yeah, I've got a few ideas to do, but stay tuned, join me for the journey, and it's hopefully going to be fun, and you're going to see me go from this bike to hopefully a bigger one. Cheers guys.